Hello, I'm Dr. Cameron Berg. I'm a board-certified emergency medicine physician. I work for North Memorial Health in the emergency departments. So I think it's important to remember where we are in the context of this pandemic. The Delta variant is currently spreading widely throughout the world. It certainly is the predominant variant in America. And then our sequencing data from Minnesota indicates that more than 95% of current COVID cases occurring in our region are due to the Delta variant. So the Delta variant is one of many variants that have evolved as this virus mutates. And generally speaking, the mutation of viruses involves some degree of gain of function. And what that means is either the virus becomes more transmittable, so it's easier to get, meaning that the threshold for transmitting it is lower. It requires less contact, less time around people with the virus to acquire a new infection. Or the virus may gain other abilities that cause it to result in more severe disease. And in the case of the Delta variant in particular, it certainly is substantially more transmissible than the original so-called wild type variant of the SARS-CoV-2 virus was. And there's some signal that in certain populations, it may be resulting in more severe or more rapid illness as well. So what can we do with that information, right? I've explained that more than 95% of current cases are due to the Delta variant. We're expecting to observe new and different variants as the pandemic continues to evolve. And I think the really good news and the simple message is that the available vaccines in America remain strongly protective, both against acquiring any infection, any COVID infection, but probably more importantly, the vaccines have proven very protective against severe illness. So the kind of illness that requires hospitalization and other treatments. And of course, most importantly, the vaccines are still more protective against death. And I think as we stand back and look collectively as a community, as a team, as a society, for where we are in the pandemic, right, in August of 2021, one message is really clear, that individuals who have chosen to undergo vaccination and their families are substantially more protected against both this Delta variant and very likely against future variants. So the message from me, I think, is pretty clear. If you so far have not chosen to pursue vaccination, now is a really good time to reevaluate that decision and consider taking the step to protect yourself, your family, your community, your coworkers on your team. Because I think it's the right thing to do, both for you and the people around you.